Echo to Zulu Delta X-ray. I'm recording this video to share this one. I'm going to share the source code. It is a piece of software that I believe hemorrhage operators who record their POTA activity and post on YouTube, this is going to be useful for these people. Not only for this, for POTA, SOTA, or any other radio activity that you record many QSOs in a single video and you have the log for that. Let's say you're doing DX for the night and you are recording and you want to send this video to everyone that you have in the log, right? So you would filter the QSOs of that day and run this thing. When you run the application, this small Python script, the other person gets an email with something like this. You can change this template. Basically, it's the information of the QSOs and the link of the video. You can send other stuff as well if you want. But anyway, so let's start explaining the pieces of software. This one is running on Python 3.7. I believe that it would run on older version of Python, no problem at all. You just need to have it Python in your machine. Maybe you have to install this module here. You can just Google how to do it. And then just run Python main.py or the name of the script.py that you want. Um, and in the same directory that you have the this script, you need to have a text file with the email underscore templates name and your diff file that you define here. See? Just in the same directory, it's fine. So we start the software, define some variables that's going to be used throughout the code. Database name is the name of the database that it creates in the in your directory to control who you send the email to, so you don't duplicate, you don't send the same mail to the to the other hand operators more than once. So we have some control here. Alright, then we have some sensitive information, which is your QRZ login and password of an email, and the SMTP server to send the email. Uh, to keep this thing simple, it's not just sending via Gmail. Gmail will not allow to send like this. So you have to find another email server that would send the emails. You just need the SMTP, login and password, and that's it. And the email subject that you're going to the person who is going to receive, right? Call sign is being replaced here, and that's it. It's that simple. Here we have another some methods that I'm hiding here. You're going to see there, but it doesn't come to the case. Maybe if you face problems reading your diff, um, you would have to work with this function. Mostly comes to when there is a problem with the diff, it's this line here that you have to pass the encoding of the file. For example, if you download your log from QRZ, it comes in another format that is not UTF-8. But this one is working perfectly with hammers, no problem. Getting the QRZ information, da da da. Okay, this is the part, one part that I think important. You see these lines here, where I describe the QSOs. So these lines are built in this function here. So we're passing the band, the mode, the date, and the time. The date and the time are formatted, and the other one are just the information that uh, just the information that you find on the diff file, right? Call sign, band, mode. It is that simple. And we format this string to create each line of the QSOs. If you want to add more variables and that comes from the QRZ data or the a diff file, you would just create a new variable here and pass like this: band, you see, band, mode, mode, date, you see. That's easy. And if you want to add more variables to your template, you would do here. See? So let me explain the template. Um, so call sign, you see, it's using this call here name QSOs. I'm using just three variables. So name, call sign, QSOs, print that list of QSOs, and then the rest of the email you just paste. Um, you just build the message yourself. All right. Having done this, you just need yeah, here's it sending the email. If you want to CC yourself, you just add your email here. If not, you just remove from here, here, and here, and you would be fine. I like to CC myself to see what people are getting, if they're getting the right link. It is, it is, but I just like to send it to myself. And then with when you run the application, it just sends the email. You're going to see this for the email that you for the people that you send the email to, and it's going to track so you don't send the same email again. That's it. Runs on in this case I'm running Python 3.7, should run on older. Remember, you might have an issue with this, but then you just need to Google how to install this module, this Python module, and you should be fine. That's it. It's that simple. I don't know how I'm going to share this. I think on my GitHub I will not put it there. Maybe a paste bin, and then you just have to create this file here and the diff in the same directory, and should be fine. But that's it. 73.